This segment is sponsored by Norris Accounting and Tax Services. DEON Norris, owner of Norris Accounting and Tax Services, is back with us here on Good Morning Washington. The last time I saw you, we came out to you and spent some time at your beautiful office there in National Harbor. And I encourage all of you to go visit DEON because he's got a beautiful office with one of the best views of National Harbor.
A great view, great view.
So welcome back to Good Morning Washington. And
Thank you.
Such an important topic right now. But before we get into it, tell us a little bit about your business.
Yeah, so we are a veteran-owned full-service accounting firm. So whether it is taxes that you need help with or accounting work, bookkeeping, we're your firm to do the work for you.
Yeah, and we appreciate your service to our country. And now you're helping people in a different way, and
Yes.
it's such an important thing, too. So what is the difference between tax planning and tax preparation? I know that's a question that you get often.
Yes, it is, and it's a great question. So think of tax planning as being more proactive and actively working throughout the course of the year in order to get your liability down, whereas tax preparation is just more of a reactive, just for compliance reasons, filing what already happened in the preceding year.
Okay, good to know that those differences right there.
Yeah.
There also have been some changes this year that our viewers should know about when doing their taxes.
Yeah, so with COVID, there was an increase in the credits that Congress allowed or authorized. So a lot of those have to do with having children and the dependent care expenses. And what is happening this year is those numbers are reverting back to pre-COVID numbers. So as a result, a lot of refunds are decreasing as a result of the tax credits decreasing from what they were the last couple of years.
There have also been some discussions recently about if people have sold items on eBay or a platform like that. What should our audience know about that?
Yes, so with that, it is great that people are aware of that. The previous law was either $20,000 in gross revenue out of a given year or 200 individual transactions. Congress has decreased that to $600 gross, but they delayed it for a year. So essentially what they are trying to do is boost the revenue that the IRS is able to get. So you do have a little bit of time before that comes to effect.
Excellent. Our final question for you is one that I'm sure you get a lot around this time of year. Is it too late to call and too late to get going with you for your for people's taxes this year?
Yes. It is never too late to call. Whether it's a complex situation or a very simple one, it's never too late to call. It is always important to get professional help, and we are more than willing to help out.
Yeah, and getting that professional help can make a big difference in the long run. So many of our viewers have already reached out to DEON. In fact, we were talking about that earlier, which is wonderful. But if you're watching right now and you have some more questions that maybe we didn't answer here in the segment right now, DEON will be standing by after the segment, and you can call him, and most likely he will be the one that answers the phone and picks up the phone and answers that question for you. So we'll put all of that important information up on the screen. Wonderful to see you, and go see DEON at his beautiful location in National Harbor.
Thank you.
I can't wait to come back and visit. Thanks so much for coming in.
Thanks so much.